Hey, the CG challenges, and we're gonna do the chili challenge. That's how much you need on your spoon. Careful, it's gonna tail. I need to cut mine. Okay, right, so.
No, you put more of that on.
No, let me do it, let me do it.
You're putting a full spoon on.
Yours is separated, that's why. Right, so.
A bit more than that, though.
Georgia, what are you doing? So
there, right.
1, 2.
Oh!
Oh, no, it's
Well, that's the chili challenge. Thanks for watching.